What's up, guys? So today we are going to be unboxing Indochino's new overcoats.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to gentslounge. I'm George, this is Blake. If you have not hit that subscribe button yet, please hit that right now. We are here every week talking about men's fashion, lifestyle, and today, Indochino's brand new overcoat line. So Indochino's been doing suits for probably about 9-10 years now?
Yeah, but we've been wearing it for about 3 to 4 years.
Okay, yes, we've been on board for a long time. We've worked with them in the past, but now they have a new edition of overcoats, trench coats, and matte coats. So Blake and I customized 2 different overcoats, both the same color, but Blake did a double-breasted and I did a single-breasted, and we're just gonna kinda show you how they look and like what we thought of the process.
So now, guys, you can do the same identical process of the made-to-measure that you do with their suits, but in their overcoats. So pretty much, guys, I customized my lapels, the double-breasted, I did the working buttons. Almost everything that you do with the suit, you can do with the coat.
So guys, the best thing about Indochino is that it is a made-to-measure process. So it's not full bespoke, but you are getting a custom product to you. So if you are, super tall, super short, maybe have wide shoulders and a super skinny waist, they're gonna be able to custom fit the coat to you. And a lot of times, that's the issue most of us have with coats, is if we're not sample size, either the shoulders fit and the coat's just wide as hell, or if you're a little shorter, then the coat goes down past your knees and it looks like the coat is wearing you instead of you're wearing the coat. So the best thing about this process, it is custom to you. So you can get the right length you want, the right fit in the arms and the waist, and then you still have enough room to wear a suit underneath. So these overcoats are around $400. Now guys, we have overcoats that are $250 to a couple $1,000. And I will tell you, $400 for this overcoat is a freaking good deal, and it's custom fit to you. So one, I would pay $400 for this overcoat off the rack, but the fact that it is tailored to me just kind of kicks it up an extra notch.
Yeah, and it's wool and cashmere blend. So it's like, it's warm, it's nice, it's form-fitting. I think they're half canvas, so it'll have that nice structure, but it won't be too structured, like those
stiff.
like those 1980s Home Alone jackets. So for our new coats, we both chose camel, 2 different styles. He went with single-breasted, I went with double-breasted. We both got our jackets a little bit more fitted than normal, and guys, they are on point.
For us, when we fitted our jackets, we rarely button our jackets when we wear overcoats because one, it doesn't get that cold in LA, and we like kind of that stylish look where you can still show off your suit. Yeah. I don't know if it's recommended if it's your first overcoat, but I have a few overcoats, so this one was just kind of more of like my fall style overcoat.
So when you do go in there and get your actual measurements, make sure you do let the specialist know that you're gonna either be wearing the jacket over a suit, or typically you wear your jacket over like a t-shirt,
casually.
Casually. So if you let them know that, they'll adjust it to exactly your perfect fit.
Right, you can get an overcoat that fits you like a suit jacket, which will be super thin, super slim. And if you're not a suit and tie guy, an overcoat is still that piece that's gonna set you over the top, at the bar, at a night out. I didn't wear suits all the time, but I wear my overcoat and a t-shirt probably more than I wear a suit with an overcoat.
So quick little example, today George is gonna wear this 1.5 suit with his overcoat over it. He's gonna ditch the jacket and it'll look just fine.
So we put together this little lookbook so you guys can see how they move on us and the custom fitting process as well. Hope this was interesting for you. We will have a link to Indochino down below. We will also be doing 4 suits for fall from Indochino, which these suits are a little teaser, but we are not going to talk about them just yet. So hit that subscribe button so you get notified when we release that video, and we will see you on the next one. Cheers, guys.